Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jieyu, a part-time watercolor artist. I like to hoard art supplies, so here are some new watercolors, inks, crayon, and an oil stick. Let's unbox them together. I'm going to use a Chinese flat brush to do the swatching. The first color is Daniel Smith Coral Reef. How beautiful is this light pinkish orange? Doesn't it look just like the color of a peach? Sweet, fresh, and juicy. It almost makes me want to take a bite. The second color is Daniel Smith Opera Pink. It's definitely giving iconic, bold, and nostalgic Barbie pink vibes. Next, we have Daniel Smith Cobalt Green Deep, a granulating deep forest green. I'm swatching these three paints together because they are perfect for mixing. Mixing Coral Reef and Opera Pink creates a juicy, vibrant pink that reminds me of a tropical sunset glowing on the horizon. When we add a touch of Cobalt Green Deep into that mix, then the sunset sky is suddenly darkened by an approaching thunderstorm. Trees in the jungle swaying in the wind, dramatic clouds rolling in, pink and coral lights still holding on to the sky before the rain falls. Let's move on to Schmincke Haze Blue watercolor. With granulating watercolors like this, you need a bit more water to let the texture and color separation slowly settle in. I also picked up Grant Turquoise. It has a lovely teal undertone. I just cannot resist deep blue colors. Next is Carbon Red from Rosa, a brand I'm trying for the first time, and it did not disappoint. I actually gasped while swatching this granulating red. The rich deep color brings a moody, stormy feeling to the page. I'm literally screaming inside. Another Rosa color I got is Quinacridone Lilac, such a dreamy, cool pink. These two Rosa colors have an amazing range. They can go from very dark to very light with just a bit of water. Then I have 3 new RedBud pigment watercolors. This one is Wax Agave, a beautiful minty green. You can probably tell recently I've been obsessed with pinks and purples. This bright purple is Fuchsia. The texture is super smooth and creamy. Another color is Blushing Orchid, a romantic pink purple. I then mixed all the purples together. At this point, you can really see the Schmincke blue starting to show its beautiful granulation and color separation. When I heard Kuretake releases a new granulating Gansai Tambi Set 2 Cosmic, I have to try it. The granulating Set 1 Aurora has such beautiful and unexpected bold colors. Let's see if the Set 2 can match the standard. These paints need a lot of water for its color separation and granulation to appear. The colors in Set 2 are not as crazy as the Set 1. What do you think? Ferris Wheel Press is an ink brand I truly love. The inks and illustrations are beautiful, and the bottle design looks like a potion bottle. Each color even comes with a well-written fairy tale story. All these details make the inks feel truly magical. I'm a big fan of crazy sheen in inks. I came across some Birmingham ink swatches on Instagram and was instantly drawn to their intense sheening effect. And then I saw this ink on TikTok. I was like, I need it. It's a glow-in-the-dark ink that comes in the most beautiful packaging. I have no clue how I will use it, but I know I need to hoard it in my collection. Let's swatch them. This color is Blue Beryl Tonic. On the bottle, it is written, "What a curious feeling. Open the cabinet and peek into the apothecary of mystery. Here, drinks will shrink you, and brews can turn you blue. But the true magic lies in the reveries you will find bubbling with every bottle." I would say the story well summarizes this color. I always love paints and inks that have some special charm and personality. That's how Birmingham inks caught my eyes. Birmingham Pen Company is a tiny Pennsylvania-based manufacturer specialized in making pens. Now they're producing inks in-house. I got 2 colors this time, Voltaic Arc and Quantum Teal. Okay, the last ink, Noodler's Blue Ghost. It looks like a pale yellow in the bottle, but once it dries on paper, it becomes invisible in daylight until it's revealed by a UV light. I mixed it with colored inks and watercolors. Let's see how it looks in the dark. I love hoarding interesting art supplies like this. They always spark inspiration. Now you can see the red sheen appearing in Birmingham inks. I would say it goes very well with dark blue and dark green. Very dramatic, like the Northern Lights. Okay, I should probably stay away from Instagram because I bought this cream set after seeing just a few posts about it. These Mudle creams are artisanal creams shaped and colored to mimic the natural stones of Jeju Island. The name Mudle refers to the traditional stone mounds found across the island. This set includes 5 cream stones inspired by local colors: stone, forest, ocean, sand, and tangerine. Any suggestions for what I should draw with them? Also, my friend on Instagram recommended the R&F oil stick, saying it's smooth as butter, so of course I bought it. My credit card absolutely hates when I browse Instagram. And a heads up, always check the specs before ordering art supplies online. I was shocked by how giant this oil stick is. The color I got is turkey red, so beautiful, like the color of fresh blood. I'm still thinking about how I want to use it. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. I cannot wait to use these art supplies. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.